FM radio. Go to FM radio. Tip: please plug earphone as antenna. Following list will appear. Presets: manual tune, auto tune, FM recording. Presets: displays preset radio frequencies and can save up to 30 frequency points. Manual tune. Press key to enter manual tuning. Press key to manually adjust the station. Adjust to a certain station. Press the M key to enter the submenu options. Select Save to Preset. Select any preset radio frequency and press key to confirm the options. Stations are saved. Auto tune. Press key to enter auto tune, showing do you want to automatically tune the preset channel. Select Yes to start searching for stations automatically. Check No to return to the menu options. Press to enter the radio interface. Press M enter the submenu in listening to radio. The submenu displays Start FM radio recording, Save to preset, Clear preset, Auto tune, Tuner region, FM recording. Start FM radio recording. Press to enter the interface of FM recording. Return. Select Yes, save recording. Press M. Save to the preset. Choose any frequency point of the preset radio and press key to confirm the choice. Then, the radio is saved to the preset 1. Clear preset. Press button. The preset station list will be displayed. Then, press to select any station. After pressing, it will prompt whether to clear the preset XXX. Press M. Tuner region, Common band, Japan band, European band. Common band, band range 87.5到 108.00 MHz. Japan band, band range 76.00到 90.00 MHz. European band, band range 87.50到 108.00 MHz. FM recording. Press key to enter the FM record library. If there is no recording file, a prompt will pop up to remind that no FM radio has been found for recording. If recording has been started, recorded files may be played, or all recorded files may be deleted.